Hello, welcome back to the Tableau tutorial series. In this video, we are going to see or learn how can we make our Tableau visualization look professional and engaging by formatting cells, charts, customizing the marks, labels, then we have tooltips and organizing our dashboard. These skills will help us create dashboards that are not only informative but also visually appealing. So let's get started. So Tableau offers powerful formatting options to enhance our charts. So let's format a chart. Okay. First I will connect my data source. Now we need to double click on the sheet. Okay. So here I will create a bar chart first. That is sum of cells into the rows and the category into the columns. Okay. So in this way we have created a simple bar chart. To get the labels, we can click on the T icon, okay, in the toolbar. In this way, we will get the labels or the value, okay. Then to format this, what we need to do is we need to click on the format, then workbook, okay, and here we can format. So first I will do is change the color, okay. Now you can see the color of the numbers or the category or whatever the labels are present, the axis has been changed. So you can give any name, any color based on your choice. Okay. So in this way, we can color it. Then we can add borders or grids also. Okay. So I will show you. We can add it. We can change the color of title. Color of title. That is the sheet one is our title for this sheet. I can change the color. You can see the color has been changed. Okay. So in this way, we can do the formatting. So we can format the fonts and sizes of axis labels. Then also we can change the background color and the shading. Okay, I will show you that also. So format, then shading, and here you can select the background color. In this way we can change the background color. Okay, then we can format the axis, then border and line. Okay, I will show you that also. So format, then alignment, then field, category. Okay, so now we can format from here. We can give color. Okay, you can see the color has been changed for this axis. Okay, then let's say I want to change this. So here we can change the format of the numbers also, and we can give the color also. Okay, so number okay. So when we do automatic, it is giving 900K. Okay. But when it comes to standard, so we are getting the whole number without K. Then we can customize, and these are the all things or the formatting we can do in the Tableau. Okay, this we have already seen. So to format, what we need to do is first we need to go to the format. Okay, whichever sheet we want to like whichever worksheet we want to format, click on that, then format workbook, and from here we can format. Also we can format with the help of font, alignment, shading, border lines. Okay, these are also helpful to format to get the professional look or the professional view for better visualization of data. Then customizing marks card. A marks card in or is central to customizing how data points appear. Okay, so clicking on marks card will help us the different we will get the different views. So first we will see one thing. So I will create a different new chart. So I will delete the previous one. I will name it as chart 1. Okay, then same I will take the sales category, and okay, in this way we have created the chart. But as we have already used formatting, the axes are not visible. Okay, so I am clearing all this. Now everything is visible. So now we have created the bar chart, but we can change that from marks. So by click here, and you can see we can select the line chart, area chart, square, and depending on the our need, we can create the different charts with the help of this marks. Okay, so when we put automatic, it will automatically decide based on our data which chart to be created. Then we can apply different color. Okay, so let's say we want to apply different color, then click and then change the color. So you can see I have changed the color from blue to orange, or anything, whatever the need of the visualization, depending on that you can change the color. I will keep it blue. Then we can add label to display fields. Okay, so we can add the labels also. So let's say I want to add a label, then that field I need to drag into the labels mark. Okay, so I am dragging the profit into the labels mark. So you can see now the profit is also visible. Okay, in this way we can use the label. Then we have the tooltip, which is very helpful. Okay, this is a tooltip. So now I will drag the discount into the tooltip, and you can see whenever I hover over a bar, I am getting the discount, okay, of that particular category. In this way we can use the all marks to get the visualization more attractive or interactive. Okay, these are the things we already saw. Now how can we build a dashboard? Okay, so inside a dashboard we can combine multiple sheets. Okay, so first we will see, I will remove these fields and I will create one more chart. I will name it as chart 2. Okay. So here I will take the profit rather than taking sales. Now I am taking profit and then the category. Okay. Now you can see this is our second chart. To create a dashboard, what we need to do is we need to click on this icon, dashboard icon, or from the top also you can create the dashboard. Okay. So create dashboard. Then what we need to do is after clicking the new dashboard, we need to drag the sheets. So I will drag the chart 1, then I will drag the chart 2 as well. So it is dragged or it is placed, they are placed vertically. But if you want, you can place them horizontally also. So now I am placing them one above the another, one top of the. You can float also. We can now I have used the tilt so that it can fit itself, but you can use the floating also. So let's say now I will remove this and I will add this again. Now you can see it is floating. Based on my need, I can place it anywhere. Okay. So in this way we can place the chart. I will do this same for this also, chart 1 also, and you can see now they are floating on the sheet, so we can decide where to place them and what type of what will be the size of that particular chart. In this way we can add the charts. Okay. Then we will see how to add a title. So we can add title by, so for that we need to take text from the object and drag it into the dashboard. Okay, then we need to name it. So first dashboard, I am naming it as first dashboard. Then we can change the font as well as the size. Okay, from here we can change we can make it bold depending on our need. We can change the font also and the style also. There are different types of formatting available here also, so we can do that. Okay, so now we can place it at the top. In this way we can add the title to the dashboard. Then we can also add or insert the image. To insert the image, what we need to do is we need to take the or drag the image object. Okay, and then we need to select the image from our PC. In this way we can use the or insert the image into our dashboard directly. Okay, then we can adjust the position and size for clean layout. We can also use the filters. Okay, so I will create a filter. I will drag the region into the filter, select all, apply, OK. Then I will click on the show filter, and from here I will select the single value drop down. Okay, now I will go to the dashboard. I will remove this and again drag the sheet 1 into our dashboard. Now you can see the filter is also there. Okay, so I can filter out, or the end user can filter out the result. So whatever the he can decide Let's say he wants to visualize the data from central region, so he can do that with the help of this filter, quick filter. Okay, in this way we can make the dashboard interactive. So these are the few tips to make the dashboard or professional dashboard. So we can use the consistent spacing between the visualization. Then we can place the most important charts prominently. We can highlight them. We can make them big, large in size. We can also group related fields together that we have saw in the last video. Then we can also add the title and label that we already did, and try to create a story, okay, of the inside the dashboard. Like first we will see, let's say we have data. First we will see the visualization of sales data with respect to other categorical data fields. Then we go for profit. In this way we try to create a flow. So to make a dashboard interactive, what we need to do is we need to use the connected filters. That is, user interacts with one chart to filter the other. Okay, that we will see. So click on this chart, okay, and click on this icon, use as a filter. Okay, now when I click on the one of the bar in the chart 2, depending on that, the result is going to change or will change in the chart 1. You can see that, right? In this way we can use one chart as a filter to the another chart. Then we can use the tooltip. Okay, whenever we hover on a certain bar chart or any chart, we will get the additional insight. Like you can see, I am hovering over this and I am getting the data. Okay, or I will do one thing. Okay, so in the chart 1 I will add the tooltip. Okay, I will first remove all these things and then insert sheet 2. Okay, now whenever I hover my cursor onto this bar, they will show me the chart based on the category. Okay, in this way we can, now you can see here also. Okay, so this is the most important use of tooltip. Then we can drill down the actions. To drill down the actions, we have many options, but let's say I will create one chart. Okay, so profit and the order date. So order date is a hierarchical field. Okay, when I click this plus icon, you can see we are in this way we can drill down. Now I am getting the record at quarter level, then the month basis and the day basis. So we have drilled down. Okay, so to go up the ladder, to go the ladder up, click the minus button, then from here also, and click the minus button at the end. In this way we can drill up and drill down the result in a single chart. Okay, so we can yes, definitely we have already seen we can drag the multiple or arrange the multiple sheets inside a dashboard. So in this way we have seen how can we format the visualization for clarity and professionalism in Tableau with the help of format button. Okay, then we also customized our charts with the help of marks, color, label and tooltips. Then we also created a dashboard, interactive dashboard, where we use the one chart as a filter to the another. So in this way, or we can make our dashboard in Tableau interactive. So in the next video, we will see advanced calculations, parameter and the interactive dashboard. So if you like this video, do like to the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for new videos. If you have any question, then please comment below. For the resources used in this video, you can visit our Telegram channel. Link is on the screen. See you in the next video.